continuing my way down. This is the road from the parking lot that we left our car and also did our trip to waterfall Virje. And now we are on our way to spring of Gljun and lake of Plužna. So I'm approaching and I'll tell you and show you more when I'm there. We will cross the bridge now. This is our first view of the river Gljun, which at this moment is quite small. On the other side as well. And right after we come across the bridge, you will see the signs for where you want to go. So you have Gljun and Jezero Plužna, which we already said is the lake of Plužna. So my suggestion is first to go to Gljun. When you come up, first you will see Adventure Park Sednica. It's very interesting for people who have more courage than I do. This is what you are into. So there are some zip lines and you walk on the line above the canyon. You are up for a lot of adventure and I'm sure you won't regret it. If you don't feel like going, you can be like me, come here and have a seat on the bench. Just sit, relax and look at the other people, what they do, and if they have fun, and enjoy watching them. That's fun too. So guys, we are approaching to the viewpoint of our next point where we want to stop. This is one of the really nice and most important sightseeing places in the area, which is Izvir Gljuna, spring of river Gljun. This is river Gljun. It is one of the best places if you want to take photos of the greenery. And the moss on the stones is really something amazing. Right now there's not much water, but in the summer probably it will be lower. The temperature of the water is about 5.5 degrees, guys. It doesn't change at all, so you have to have a lot of guts to go and swim in it. But in the summer, if it's hot and warm, why not? You should try it and let me know how it feels. I will go upstream a little bit more, try to do some footage for you there as well. I have some footage from the previous visit that I've been here with a bit more water, so you will see how it is after the rain. So we are upstream right now. Before we were standing right over here. So there's not a long way up where you can see the whole stream, the whole area, and I'm sure you will enjoy yourself a lot doing photos and enjoying the green moss and the area and the colors and the sounds. You can see the river itself is pretty loud. and I'm really sure you will spend a really nice time hanging out here, guys. So make sure to take enough time with you. We've come to an end of our trip today. I hope you enjoyed my walk to Spring of Gljun, and that you found out some interesting points and views, and that you are now inspired to come here and pay a visit on your own. I would really ask you, if you can, to subscribe to my channel, Camp Vodenca. I promise I will post some more interesting trips and things, so that you can have something new and interesting to see each time you open the channel. I already have some new stuff. Thank you again. Have a nice day, guys, and I really hope to see you again. Ciao!